Alright, JoJo, you ready to crank it up?
Yes.
Come on. You hear the squeaky belt? You got a squeaky belt to fix.
You made it hot a little bit.
Yeah, I made it hot a little bit. It's okay though. We gonna fix the squeaky belt?
These are new belts?
Yeah, that's the new belt. Can you get it out of the box?
Not this one. I'm going to say this one for later.
Oh, that's the one we're gonna put on now.
Okay.
It's just one belt. It looks like there's two in there. Good job, JoJo.
I'm going to put this one on top of the rocks. I couldn't get it up by myself. Okay, where is it?
It's right down in here.
Of the juicy car. There's another belt.
That's not a belt. That's a hose.
Oh, hose. What's this?
It's the air cleaner. Now pick it up. Pull it around there.
I know it's raining.
Is it slippery? You can stand up there.
I can't get it. Come get it. Come get it right here.
JoJo needed a better step, so I made him a good step. You want to try it out, JoJo? Can you climb up there?
Still wiggles.
It still wiggles. It's alright though. I promise it won't fall. Here, I'll hold your hand. There, now JoJo can help me work on the car.
I'm going to turn the thing a little bit so the new belt could go on. I need the new belt now.
We still got to get that old belt off. Right there.
That one off.
Yeah. Pull.
Pull. Pull out. Shoot. Pull out. Shoot.
JoJo's got the old belt.
Come get it right here.
I'll put it here.
I need
The other old belt. There's the new belt. So can you stick it down in there?
Yes. So. Welcome with you. Welcome with you. I'm looking hard and hard.
JoJo, look at your hands.
I'm looking hard because my hands are getting greasy. My hands are getting greasy. Yes, they all getting greasy. Can you put that down?
Yeah.
Radiator hood.
That's the radiator hose?
That is the one radiator hose and the two radiator hose. That's the radiator and that's the other radiator.
That's the radiator cap.
Radiator cap. And the batteries. That's the batteries. That's the batteries, Daddy.
Good job, JoJo.
But Police? I did not say police.
Not police. Pulley.
Find something. Let's find something back. That's alright.
Now go, yeah. Push it. Other way. Yeah. Good job, JoJo.
Can you do it?
Now pull it back up. There you go. Uh-oh, it's stuck.
I got it right over there.
Can you do it again on that bolt? Good job, JoJo. Alright. Is it gonna crank, JoJo?
I can see.
Is it smoking? Let's go rev it up.